the numbers are not snapping to the grids. So in order to snap to a grid, what you want to do is this feature here shows the grid or doesn't show the grid. So if you select it, it goes blue, meaning it's on and it displays a grid. I've slid the axis over to the bottom left corner using my middle button to pan. So that's the middle button, your scroll, also known as button number 2. This icon over here says snap to mode, and now it will snap to grid coordinates. Now, to set up your grid coordinates, you can select this feature, the arrow right next to it, and select Snap Settings. I currently have my grid spacing set to 1/2 inch and my major line set to every 5. So if I say OK, and let's zoom up on this grid a little bit. I'm using the scroll button to just scroll closer. I have 5 increments. What I really want to do is set this up to 1 inch increments, or sorry, 1 inch grids with 1/4 inch increments. So again, I hit this down arrow and select the snap setting. I'm going to choose 4, and we're going to go 1/4 inch. I'll hit OK. And now you can see the grid is set up to snap every 1/4 inch. No, it's set up to snap every 1/2 inch. So again, I'm going to hit the down arrow and hit snap to grid. The grid is set to 1/4 inch, but the snap spacing was set to 1/2 inch. So again, it's probably hard for you to see, but when I move, it just automatically jumps to every 1/2 inch. I want it to jump every 1/4 inch, so I'm going to change that snap setting to 1/4 inch increments. And now you notice I'm able to move every 1/4 inch. It's going to automatically snap to every 1/4 inch, and my decimals are always to a 1/4 inch. Again, the trick is you must have this snap turned on. So if this is off, you're going to not be able to land on those grids. 99 times out of 100, you won't get on that grid. So the way to snap to grid is to make sure snap to grid is active. And I'm simply going to create lines in the next demo.